Alright, tools I need to grip a skateboard deck. Screwdriver, razor blade, Jessup Griptape, and take my razor blade. I'm going to open up the skate deck, take out the skate deck, have that fresh new skateboard deck. This is an important step. Make sure when you take your Jessup Griptape, you got the whole top of the deck covered, and you got space on this side and this side, and the nose and tail space on this side and this side. I'll show you that in a little bit. Alright, second most important part is taking off the sticky part, or getting ready to stick it on. You take this off. And I like to take it all off, but you can save this for later too also. This is where you gotta line it up over top, look straight over top. And you can line it up. I line it up where you're gonna have space on all four sides. Like this side, that side, and that side. So I lined it up straight and I kinda like pull it back up. And now I know it's straight on there. I know it's gonna cover the nose and tail. And I just start from the top and I just kinda roll it onto there, and as I put it on, I smush it down with my hand. But if you get air bubbles, you can pull it back up real quick like this. And the goal is not to try to get air bubbles, but you're probably gonna get them. But you just have to kind of like pull them back up and kind of smush them out as you go, and work your way down to the end of the board. Just keep going. And like rolling it onto the board. Trying to get the least amount of air as possible, but you can see I got air bubble right here, so I can pull that back up and kind of push it into the concave. I got air bubbles right here. I can even go like this. And like bend it back into place. And just kind of roll it back on the top. That's pretty good. So I even take my leftover piece right here, and I'll take this side and put it down here, and I'll smooth out the grip. Then you don't have to get your hands all gripped up. Try to get out these air bubbles. You really want that grip to stick to the concave. So there's definitely going to be air bubbles. If you have an air bubble, you like push over it and you'll hear it like popping up and down. And you can always just take your razor blade and just poke it and then smush it down, and then you'll get rid of that air bubble. Looks like I did a pretty good job. Take your grinder or your I got a screwdriver, and you just go like this on the sides. Oh, try not to scratch the top of the grip. All the way around, and you'll start to see the shape of the board. All the way around. One nice solid line. Be quick. So now we're going to take our razor blade and just be careful when you poke your hole through here. I'm going to start by the nose. And then get a hole, and then you go on a bias. And you already got that line to follow. So you just hold that angle the whole way. You can also hold up the grip too if it sticks to the board. You just trace it. Sometimes you mess up, you gotta start over. Like I just did right there. That's alright, this is the part that you gotta get it back into your cut. So you gotta start a new cut. Just loop it around. Just be careful. Do it slow. And be careful. I'm just gonna follow that line. And you get that smooth cut. It'll just take it all the way around. And just be careful on the nose and tail because they're the hardest, so you gotta get the right angle. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. And then take a piece of your grip, fold it in half after you cut it, and then make a little piece of sandpaper. And you sand down the edges. All the pieces you missed, just sand them right off. I'm right there, I didn't really get, so I just sand it real hard. you go. If you guys want to get some of this awesome Jessup grip tape, and I've been using this Jessup grip tape for like 15 years or more, definitely check it out. There'll be affiliate link below. Click that, you can get some of this grip tape. Got my screwdriver bit here because it comes out. Use like a little screwdriver or something that's gonna fit in the hole. Go through the hole. You just go back and forth. Make 4 holes. And then you can also make the holes bigger on this side after you made them. Kind of doing this motion. Or end of a screwdriver works. And then your last 4 holes. Just wash your fingers when they go through the other side. Clean them up. Phillips head actually works better. There you go. You got your grip skateboard deck. And awesome. Can't wait to skate this. It's going to be great.